kadi kajing job kebadan burung. Banriu kadi kajing erniu, kajing job kebadan burung.
Kidan ki boong ba kajing mi sungway na ki bahayang ki kanta hai ki adu kanno kan long uta.
Kelai benda kesini bahayang basam juga baru kiwan file nomination rekan-rekan tengah baru ke bahayang basam berpej umpai ba adu unung kursiar bi juga goladon adu PR Muslim adu menta umpat ino enga benda rekan-rekan tengah benda ganu ke jinge agni kinti pada banriu kelong ke jinge bengiu.
Arpusan senam kiladep di senam batun sakri. Sakum ki ai pat ki lat ki ba mati pi ki badang duna bak ki ba pi hapan pendha susu angke ko konsulsi.
Ki duna benda gedai jadi kon sama ke jumi. Ikon sama ke jumi ke belanang lasta pergi kon sama jumi ke bepanang lasta. Agni gisni habang rung ye. Bani kendo iga yeng kesem joki. Iba kedo gikon langot sangot ikon. Ki belanang lasta bamnang ustadu ke bakram kam kunjam sudah. Yang lagi ku menong elam mentang ni binyui jenga binyui bakumno. Ben create amok ben create ya government job dan government employees mo. Dia ben create ya ke private sector. Ben ai employment ding ba ke tourism ding ba ki industries fair ding ba ke health ding ba ke medical ding ba ki board ba ke linti ya ke bang dia ben play kelat linti ada ikut sama di bayi yang saya berjuang tadi.
Kadang itu kan kau untuk baharuki hek, saya berkamlah anda ikut hek person senam ngatang aku tahu pernah yang ada.
Gak kuat berkeligum ni. Tabau ba Arab ba el hek person senam bukan lah beli. Kita kini buat sauk naik tangga kami ke bapun yang kodu parki. Lada kodu parki aku kami sauk naik. Kuno lah berpedap ke sauk naik kita kisah absurd lagi senam. Khun, dengan khun, ke bapun, ke kami sauk naik kira parki aku po.
You now is saying that in 25 years you have not brought any development in comparison to Sanbor Shulai's BJP constituency, that you didn't do anything for the...
I'll tell you, any opponent who are fighting for election, those people who can see the eye, they make them blind. Those people are perfectly working, they make them lame. So that is the role of the opponents. That's all only I know.
So how difficult it is when your own family member accuses something against you?
That is not difficult at all. I've told you, you have seen the crowd, the love of the people while we are coming from our residence to file our nominations today. You have seen how much immensely the love, the support of the people we have. That also with the back with all our Hek family in our Padorgra constituency.
Would you still go
In your
ahead?
constituency, there is a lot of slum areas and all, and people are saying that you have not done anything for them.
I told you, no, that is there. Always people, the opposition is always there to tell you the negative thing. But how you have not seen the positive thing, which is coming campaigning with me together? See the positive thing also, don't see only the negative thing.
After March 2nd, once the results are out and the deciding factor, do you think if BJP gets the mandate, do you think you still have an alliance with NPP?
There is no government will form without the BJP, number one. Okay. And the BJP will get the 2 digits election and will have the double engine government. The double engine government, Narendra Modi government that's Delhi and Narendra Modi government in Meghalaya. Double engine government, double multi-fold development for Meghalaya. Multi-fold development.
Since lot of scams have been reported in India,